Looking for the best way to record your Android screen without lag, watermarks, or confusion? Here are the top 3 best free screen recorders for Android in 2025. No nonsense, no paywalls. Let's get started. Number 1. Glip Screen Recorder. This is a newer app gaining popularity fast. It's super lightweight, records in high quality, and supports internal audio on most devices. You can record up to 1080p at 60 frames per second. And Number 2. X Recorder by InShot. A favorite for many users, it offers smooth performance and clear video quality. You can record with internal or external audio, use a face cam, and adjust resolution easily. Number 3. ADV Screen Recorder. This one is perfect for simple, no-hassle screen recording. It supports both default and advanced engines for compatibility. You can draw on the screen while recording, add your logo or text, and use the front or back camera during the session. It's light, stable, and great for tutorials or gaming. So, those were the top 3 free screen recorders for Android. Try them out and see which one works best for you. Like and subscribe for more tech content. Thanks for watching.